All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We had a break-even day today, two break-even trades. Here are the executions. There's the first one. There's the second one. Ignore that. Alpha Trader was tweaking out. So coming into the day today, like just looking at this PA, just like look at the 5 minute, like during that whole session, then we finally start to break out, which is crazy. But coming into the session day, higher time frame, I was bullish because we did have obviously an unmitigated daily. We had relative equal highs above. But on the lower time frame, I was still open to taking shorts. We did have this 30-minute was unmitigated at the time of market open. So I was seeing maybe if we want to trade into that or look for shorts towards London low. And then I want to see if we'd get to London low, if we wanted to displace lower or use that as a potential area to send price back higher. So market opens up and we get, okay, so first of all, we get this manipulation down. Now, I'm not taking a Judas swing long here. Reason being, we never really tapped into anything significant. We just kind of get this sweep down. I wanted price to maybe tap this 30-minute. But regardless, it would have been break even. From there, we end up sweeping out the highs. Now, why am I not shorting this? Is because now we have relative equal highs, almost equal highs at your stop loss. So I'm definitely not going to be taking that. From there, price runs all the way down into that 30-minute. And again, this is going to be the area I want to be looking for longs. And at the same time, ES has now swept London low. So we do have a higher time frame bullish SMT potentially. Now, there was this entry on this 1 minute candle right here. But personally, what I didn't like was, let me put this replay tool back on and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so on this candle right here, ES does start to rip higher, so it really depends on your own conviction. We did have an internal SMT as well. What I didn't like is that you're targeting this high that just swept out these highs. Yes, you do have higher time frame, low resistance, but I didn't like it in the short term. I would have wanted to see a little bit more like low resistance liquidity build up, target that where I could easily go break even. And here you really only have this one high right here. So I personally wanted to see this 5-minute get inverse. As you can see, we did end up forming a 5-minute bearish gap as well. Again, ES disregarded it. So you could have taken it with your own conviction. So what I ended up doing is I didn't end up waiting for the 5-minute. I ended up kind of jumping the gun as soon as price started to displace aggressively on the 3-minute. So I ended up getting filled up here, which is obviously like a really late entry. But I was looking for this high just to go break even at this point, because after we start pushing towards it, we can kind of confirm at that point that we likely are going to continue higher. Down here, it's a little bit like sketchier to target all the way up to here, but when we start displacing towards it, it's becoming more and more obvious that that's our short-term draw. So I ended up entering here. Stops were like down here, and I was targeting pretty much London high, or like right before London high, or I was just going to go for the 1-to-1. I went break even after we got this push above this high just to be safe, because again, if we're going to fail to push through that high, I just don't really trust this setup. And we end up getting break even, and again, this would have been a stop loss. From there, price comes down, and we end up getting a resweep in that 30-minute gap. We get an internal SMT. You can see NQ takes out the lows, ES doesn't, and we're still holding this 30-minute. Now, keep in mind, at this time as well, we had pre 10 a.m. we already manipulated down, so I'm expecting 10 a.m. to just distribute price higher. Now, my entry here was on the 3-minute. I got a retrace. I got a pretty decent fill. Like I got in somewhere here. I had my stop here, and I was pretty much just looking for London high, or like just, I think my TP was just by London high, or I was going to be looking to take profit when ES took London high. But as you can see, I ended up going break even at this high again. I think if I did hold through, I would have gotten, yeah, I probably could have got the 1-to-1 there depending on stop loss, but I was really confident in London high getting hit at that point and all this low resistance getting run. But yeah, take the 3-minute right there. I think my fill was actually a bit higher. But yeah, something like that. I was looking for London high. Idea, regardless, we didn't even end up taking out London high. But the idea did did end up technically playing out in the short term. Probably could have taken this 2-minute. But looking back, I do think this 2-minute was pretty good right there, so that would have been like 10:02. But yeah, just personally, not the greatest price action right now, as we could see. Really not a whole lot going on. But yeah, those were my trades today. Yeah, let me know what you guys took today. Just a bit of a tough one this month. Very choppy back and forth PA. So we'll see if we get the rest of the week. That's it for me. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.